That'd be so funny. Punch the ball over. Cigarettes.
You got no Lucky Lucy in there.
Because these are rollies.
I don't like them.
Really? I think she wants your lighter, dude.
You want it?
Oh my god, let me see that. Come on.
Which one? Oh, this one.
Yes, the one that lights.
Are you a kitty cat or are you a doggy?
Which one gets me the thing?
I don't know. Find out.
Go get it.
It didn't explode. Go get it and throw it.
You're the doggy. You want the lighter. Go
I
get
never
it.
said I was a dog.
You want the lighter. You go get it. Hold on.
Come on, Kara, go get it.
She wants the lighter. You go get it.
Come on. Come on, Kara.
Earn your lighter.
Come on. Kara. Kara. Yo, Swan, come and get it.
You can walk 10 feet back on the goddamn lighter.
Want it? Come get it.
Come on, Cookie.
Fine, you don't get the lighter then. So I can go get it.
Fine, I'll go freaking get the damn thing. Oh boy.
Now bend down and get it. Moving the people.
We just gonna put it in there.
Yeah.
Why?
Just do it.
Okay, hold on.
No, mode it. Just let me know.
I know.
Do you want this?
Please don't destroy it. It's my only lighter I got.
Okay, I won't destroy it.
Don't burn your eyebrow. No, you know the ones you can adjust the flame on? I turned that into a fucking toast lighter. She's like, she went home with freaking eyebrows missing. She came back, she's like, what are you doing down here? Got my baby girl to take home.
Yeah, the one that's playing with the lighter.
Was that necessary?
That one, yeah.
Why?
I don't know, just for the hell of it. I already burnt my balls.
Oh my god.
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna burn my hair.
Come on, bring your hair.
Ow. Wow, that burns really fast. Where'd it go?
It's thin.
Here you go, Kara, here's another one. Ah, not my finger.
How come you can keep that one on right there?
This one?
Yeah.
It just one's. Oh, my mom doesn't recognize that one and it blends in too. Ew, fuck. I didn't burn myself. Stop.
Remember the time I pushed you over there?
Yeah, but I just burnt myself. Leave me alone for a minute so that way I can survey my damage. Holy fuck, that.
Baby.